And then we're gonna test if the replacement display is even working on this board. So on this OnePlus 9 Pro, the connector for the display is right here in the corner. And you're gonna push it in, make sure it's secure, and try to turn this on. And as you can see, you have a bit of display, and that's not flickering from our studio lights. It's just that the new display is not really seated properly. So the connector, it's working, but the flickering is very annoying and an issue. The expert technician of Sydney CBD Repair Centre. So if you're visiting here for Vivid Sydney, you might as well visit us. We'll fix your smartphone for you, just like this OnePlus 9 Pro. It's gonna live on happy life for many years. We'll see you again next time.